Assalamualaikum. My name is Hafiz Aiman bin FAUZI from BEKU Section 3. Based on the seminar, grid planning is the planning of electric distribution that aims to plan the most cost-efficient grid while maintaining sufficient maximum capacity for demand and supply. Why is very important? It's because we need to maintain a balanced supply and demand. As engineers, we must plan carefully because if we don't, there will be supply crisis in the future. To design and plan, we must consider 4 types of situation to plan grid planning. First is reliability. The reliability is if something happened to our grid plan, it has a backup and it also can accommodate the demand. Second is security. We must make sure that it always have supply to fulfill demand. Third is sustainable. As engineer, design and plan the system so that it can hold out for the next 20 years. Lastly, is affordable. It is because the economic situation nowadays is very bad. An engineer must ensure that the system that he designed is affordable to all sides, like supply and demand. There are 4 criteria that must be considered. The criteria is demand, supply, infrastructure. Lastly is economy and regulations. Economy and regulatory considerations are important because they manage government policy. Our strategy must refer to government such as Kementerian Tenaga and Sumber Asli and Suruhanjaya Tenaga. Our planning will be denied and unsuccessful if we don't follow the policy. As humans, we never know what will happen in the future. Nonetheless, there are a few common obstacles such as too many unknowns, a lack of data, and rapid technological advancement. The stochastic integrated grid planning approach method is the best alternative for solving these issues, and it also assists the planner in perfectly targeting the target. As a result, the outputs of this modeling approach can be used to demonstrate grid planning at both macro and micro levels using distributed storage technologies. To conclude, the engineer's responsibility is to plan for the future. If we don't plan wisely, there will be issues and problems in the future. That's all from me. Thank you.